Welcome to Labii tutorial. Labii is the next-generation research platform that seamlessly integrates electronic lab notebook and laboratory information management system, with high customization and widget extendability for a variety of disciplines. Diagnostic tests are employed to investigate a particular issue, and ascertain whether it is attributable to a medical condition. These tests are frequently utilized to diagnose ailments in individuals displaying symptoms, or in those with a positive screening test, even if they are not showing any symptoms. In this video, we will guide you through the steps of importing CQ values, conducting calculations, and generating reports for healthcare providers. To begin, you'll need to install the LIMS for Diagnostic Testing application. To enable the accurate prediction, the qPCR CT ranges need to be provided for each target pathogen. qPCR CT ranges is the range of threshold values for RT-PCR cycles indicating whether a pathogen can be detected. In order to analyze or predict pathogen loads, thresholds or CT ranges must first be created. It is only necessary to prepare threshold data once. You have the option to utilize the add function to include a single CT range. However, in this demonstration, I will employ the import function to bring in all CT ranges simultaneously. Please find an example Excel file ready for import below. Labii's process management for diagnostic testing streamlines the workflow into a seamless and efficient experience. This user-friendly system guides users through a well-defined flowchart, eliminating the need for manual navigation. The process involves three key steps: report creation, CQ value import, and report download. Users can effortlessly complete these tasks in a structured manner, ensuring precision and ease of use throughout the diagnostic testing procedure. The first step is to create a report. Once added, the workflow's initial section will display, automatically marking the first step, Create Report, as complete. Proceed to the second step and click the Import button to upload qPCR CQ values. Choose the qPCR CQ file exported from your software. If it's a standard qPCR export file with the title row at row 20, you can simply click the Submit button. Otherwise, you have the option to adjust the title row's row number to correspond with your title row's position. On the column matching page, the system will automatically match all columns. If your sheet contains different columns, be sure to align them with Labii's configuration. Upon successful completion, the page will return to the report page, and the second step will be marked as completed automatically. To obtain the report, select the Download button in the Download Report step. This step will execute result prediction, prepare the report, initiate the download, and close the new tab directly. Once the report is downloaded, the step will be marked as complete. In summary, Labii streamlines the diagnostic testing process, ensuring precision and ease. Simply follow the steps to create, import, and download reports, making diagnostics efficient and accurate. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to our channel to get the most recent updates. To learn more, schedule a meeting with Labii representatives at call.skd.labii.com, or create an account at labii.com/signup, to try it out yourself.